Hey guys, Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter, and just like buying a home, you have the same options when buying a yacht. To buy one that was previously owned, one brand new, or to build your own. Now, there's different advantages to each of the three. The most common, because it's the best bang for the buck and there's the most available, is previously owned, or what's referred to as used or brokerage boats. Not only does it allow you to get the most bang for your buck, but you can buy a yacht immediately if it's previously owned, given after a survey is completed, which is going to tell you exactly what is wrong with the boat, which can be corrected or credited at the finalization of purchase. You also have the test of time when buying used boats. Were there hull issues with a particular make or model? Were there mechanical issues with a particular make and model? These are things that you don't know if you're the first purchaser of a new type of vessel. If buying a new yacht appeals more to you, you know you're going to get the latest and greatest in technology, in design, but you are also going to have warranties with that yacht as well. You're going to take it over on a clean slate, which means that there's no one that might have abused or misused the yacht before you, but you can also expect to pay a good amount more for that and experience significant depreciation the first couple years of ownership. The third option, which is the highest regarded thing in the industry, is building your own yacht. Nothing more well regarded than a custom built yacht. You get to choose every layer of detail, probably alongside of a naval architect, from the interior furnishings to the exterior styling. It's a really incredible, long, amazing process, but it results in some really great vessels being created. So, which one's right for you? It depends. But I'd love to get that conversation started with you, but you could get the conversation started as well by commenting below. So if you learned something here, be sure to like this video, comment and subscribe, and check out my website, www.theyachthunter.com, for additional yacht purchasing resources as well. So thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy yachting, my friends.